Good morning children. Today we are going to learn different types of line segment. This can be called line or line segment or ray, anyway you can call it, okay. See, now lines we have learned already: horizontal line, vertical line, curved line we have learned. That is the types of kinds of lines, and types of lines also there are different types are there. That is some, see now more than two lines, okay. Sometime they, when they are going, they never meet each other, okay, just they go on. Now let me, I cannot draw exactly, but I will just draw it here. Now suppose you imagine it, this is the line, these two lines, it is going on both the side and they are never meeting each other, okay. So like it is like railway track, no? If you have seen the track, they never meet each other, that both the tracks they go continuously, they go, they never meet like this. If they meet like this, then it will become an accident, isn't it? So they never meet each other. Again, now electric wire in that, on the top of in the street you can see the electric wires, they go from the light pole, no? So it goes like this without meeting each other, okay. So they are called, when they don't meet each other at any point, they are called parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines, otherwise parallel line segments, that way you can call it, okay. So line segment you will call parallel line segments, lines you will call parallel lines, okay. So if two or more than two lines, if they never meet each other at any point, they are called parallel lines. Some of the lines are ray, they meet each other at any point, okay. Now let me see here, this is the line, okay. So here this point, they are meeting in point O, okay. So this line is XY and this line is LM, okay. So these two lines are there, so they are meeting each other at point O. Since they are meeting each other at point O, they are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, okay. And the point O is called the point of intersection. Point of intersection. So the point where they are meeting is called the point of intersection. So the intersecting lines here, they are XY and LM. So XY and LM are intersecting lines, and point O is the point of intersection. Okay, you have learned already vertical line. Vertical line is straight from up to down, and horizontal line, that is straight from left to right, okay. So this you have learned already, okay. If one vertical line and one horizontal line, if they cross each other at one point, if they meet each other, we can say if they cross each other, otherwise if they meet each other at one point, they are called, now suppose this one, the vertical line is AB. AB is a vertical line, and OP is a horizontal line. So these two lines, they are meeting each other at point X. So these two lines are called perpendicular line, okay. Perpendicular, we say perpendicular. Perpendicular lines, okay. If one horizontal line and one vertical line, if they meet each other at one point, they are called perpendicular lines, okay. So this is, they have given newly, I am giving the explanation like this. Actually the proper explanation you will learn in higher classes. If two points meet each other at 90 degree, they are called perpendicular lines. Since you have not learned angles, that's why they have given horizontal line and vertical line, okay. But the proper explanation is, if they meet each other at 90 degree, this is 90 degree. If you measure with your protractor, then you will know this is 90 degree. If two lines, if they meet each other at a 90 degree, they are called perpendicular lines. If they meet each other less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree, they are called intersecting lines. Okay, so you better for you it will be easy, I think. One horizontal line and one vertical line, if they meet each other at any point, they two will be perpendicular, so they are called perpendicular lines. So here line AB and line OP both are perpendicular lines. Okay, next one is if two rays. Okay, rays means they will have starting point and there is no ending point. Okay, now two rays, they meet each other at one point. Okay, here these two rays, this is ray OS and this is ray OQ. So OS and OQ. So these two rays, they are meeting each other at point O. So if two rays, they meet each other at one point, then they form an angle. So here the angle is formed. Okay, they form an angle. So here these rays are called the arms of the angles. That means this ray OS and ray OQ, these two are called the arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. And the point where they are meeting, that is called the vertex. So here point O is called the vertex. Okay, arms and vertex you must know which is arm and which is vertex, that you must know. So two rays, if they meet each other at one point, they form an angle, and the two rays are the arms of the angle, and the point where they are meeting each other, that is called the vertex. Okay, now let's take 2 points here. So inside this, here the angle is formed here. Okay, so between these two arms there are two points. Okay, so this point is, let's take it H, and this point is I. Okay, so this point I and H, they are called interior points. They are called interior points. Since they are inside the angle, they are called interior points. Suppose if there is the points outside. Okay, so now here this point, let's name it like W. This point is X and this point is Y. So these 3 points are outside the angle, so they are called exterior points. Okay, so inside the angle, if the points are there, they are called interior points. If they are outside, they are called exterior points. Okay, only this much is there. So do the next exercise, then we will see the other thing tomorrow, next class. Okay, from December 2nd week onwards, you are going to write your exam. So further, the total marks are 100. So in that written test, you will write 70 marks. Again, 30 marks will be the project work, like last time you did the video, no? The same way you will do. So that I will tell you later what you have to do. Sometime video is compulsory. There is sometimes I may ask for Viva also. Viva is face to face. If I am conducting, then I will conduct face to face Viva. I will ask the question. We may have video call like but still I have not decided. But project work is compulsory. So Viva, let's see. Okay, if there is, if I have a plan, then I will tell you. So 30 marks video will be there again. So now itself be ready. Okay, so the project, you can, if you go through the lesson, you may know, you may get idea. So which miss can give. So from each subject, each lesson behind itself, there are some projects are given. So that I may give. Sometimes I will explain. Okay, within the next week I will explain what to do. Okay, next one, syllabus. Syllabus is semester 1 book full. Again, in semester 2, we have finished 2 chapters, no? So the first one is fraction, second one is geometry. We will finish. So that 2 lesson you will have. So if I am omitting some lesson, means I may omit from semester 1. So that I will tell you later. If I am planning to exclude any subject from semester 1, I will tell you later. Okay, so but semester 1 full is there, but don't be excited that there will be some chapter will be omitted. Okay, so I may not omit some chapter, maybe some parts, no, I may omit. Okay, I will tell you whether I am excluding or not. Otherwise, full book everything clearly I will explain. This is just I want to give you the outlines, but everything clear detail I will give it end of this week, otherwise the beginning of next week I will give you. But these are the main things you must know, okay? Again, don't ask again this is there or that is there or what. Okay, thank you.